Hi, so you've built an amazing trading strategy, but when you deploy it with real money, it doesn't work. Or when you try to optimize the parameters or optimize the model for your trading strategy, it takes way too long. Well, does that sound familiar? Then you're in the right place because today we're going to compare four really essential Python backtesting frameworks for trading, and stay tuned to see which one best fits your needs. All right, and the first framework we're going to look at is Backtrader. So you can imagine this one as basically the one that you might start with. And that's because it has a lot of documentation and tutorials online. It has a pretty good community. And it's also quite similar to how you might think of trading because it's event driven. So that means that when you backtest or do live trading, it's basically each bar is a new event, and you might find that nice because it's different to some of the other ones we're going to look at. And also, it allows you to immediately go from backtesting to live trading with just a few changes, so you don't have to completely rewrite your strategy. However, where things get annoying or tough is when you try to scale with it or try to scale it, because you might run into gigantic memory usage, especially if you try to optimize parameters with it. And you can imagine this one as a good start, especially because of the nice documentation and tutorials, but you might outgrow it, so keep that in mind. All right, and number two is VectorBT, which is a blazing fast one. This is basically the one to use if you want to test 1,000 strategies before lunch even. And that's because it's vector driven instead of being event driven. However, that also makes it a bit more difficult to think about your strategies because you have to change your thinking from event-driven to vector-driven. Otherwise, VectorBT also has very nice portfolio analytics and visualizations. However, there's one very big elephant in the room because VectorBT doesn't basically natively support live trading. So you yourself have to rewrite your whole strategy for live trading, do all the basically execution framework, everything like that yourself, because VectorBT is only for backtesting and research. So if your workflow is 99 or 90 or 80% research, then it might be a good idea, but otherwise, probably not a good idea. And number three for today is Zipline Reloaded. And this one is basically a revival of the original Zipline from Quantopian. And Quantopian, if you don't know, was basically a crowdsourced hedge fund where everybody could contribute strategies, and then the best strategies would basically get money allocated to them. And it has some flaws. For example, it's limited for live trading. Optimization, for example, is difficult. And Zipline Reloaded tries to solve some of these things. However, there's a reason why Quantopian died. But if you're very research focused or just have nostalgia, this might also be a good option for you. And the fourth and final one for today is Nautilus Trader, which is basically the professional choice because its core is written in Rust. And that makes it blazing fast. However, it's still a Python framework. So basically, the Python framework is more like an API calling the Rust core. And that just means that despite it being event-driven, it's still extremely fast, also for optimizing parameters, for example. And it natively integrates backtesting and live trading. So you only have to change a few lines of code to go from backtesting to live trading. Otherwise, Nautilus Trader has very good risk controls available to you. Position management is very nicely integrated. However, the initial setup is a bit more complex and also its community is a bit smaller. I do think this is definitely the professional's choice, and that's also why we went with Nautilus Trader at AutoTrade Lab, and this is the one I recommend. Of course, everyone's use case is a bit different, so if you're very interested in research, basically the backtesting part, then I think VectorBT is a very good option, and you can also get a lot of mileage out of Zipline Reloaded for that. And if you want a bit more of a simpler framework to learn, then I would go with Backtrader. but I think definitely Nautilus Trader is the choice for professionals and also businesses. All right, and if you have any experience with any of these frameworks, please drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Maybe you have some nice tips for some of these frameworks. For example, I saw there's some wrappers that allegedly enable you to go from backtesting to live trading even with VectorBT. And otherwise, just drop some tutorials below if you want, things like that. Check out autotolab.com if you're an institutional investor interested in very robust trading. And thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button and the bell, smash the like button. And as I said, drop your thoughts down below. And thank you for watching.